The electric vehicle revolution has hogged the limelight when it comes to two-wheelers and three-wheelers in India. But even today, you only have a handful of full-fledged electric cars that can be considered as a solid option for daily commute. So if you are in the market for the best electric car in India, here's a list for you. So let's take a look at the top 5 electric cars to buy in India. So the first one on our list is Tata Tigor EV. The Tata Tigor EV is the most affordable electric car you can buy in India right now. Yes, so Tata Motors claim that Tigor EV can run up to 213 kilometers ARAI certified on a single charge. In fact, the built-in battery takes up to 12 hours for charging using home power outlet. But with DC fast chargers, you can be up and running in just 2 hours. So if you're looking for an economical option, Tata Tigor EV is just the one for you. While the next one on our list is Tata's another EV car, that is Tata Nexon. So this is the electric avatar of the popular fuel-based mid-sized SUV from the Auto brand. The SUV packs a 30.2 kWh battery which offers 129 HP of power and 245 Nm of torque. In fact, Tata Motors also claim a full driving range of 312 km on a single charge. While Tata Nexon EV is available in the country starting from 13.99 lakhs. The next electric vehicle is on a higher range. So we're talking about MG ZS EV. So MG Motors debuted in India a few years back with the ZS SUV, and just like Tata Motors, it brought the EV version of the same model. So the ZS EV features a 44.5 kWh battery that pushes 143 HP of power and 353 Nm of torque, which is quite impressive. In fact, you get a claimed range of 419 kilometers on a single charge. As you might have thought, ZS EV gets a price tag of 21 lakh going up to about 25 lakhs with the top variant. Another high-end electric car on our list is Hyundai Kona Electric. So Hyundai is a popular name among buyers in the car market in India. In fact, it has tested waters with the Kona Electric SUV launched a few years back for about 23.76 lakhs. While Kona comes with a 39 kWh battery that is smaller than what you get with the MG ZS EV. While Hyundai also says that Kona Electric can do about 452 kilometers on a single charge. While the last one in our list is not just high-end but uber premium EV. We're talking about Mercedes-Benz EQC. So this electric four-wheeler gives you the size, range, power and class with a price tag of about 1.4 crores. Yes, the 80 kWh battery on the EQC gives it a 408 HP of power, 760 Nm of torque and a claimed range of about 414 kilometers, which is lower than both ZS EV as well as Kona Electric. So if you want to go for an extremely uber premium class, then you can go for Mercedes-Benz as well. So these were the top 5 electric vehicles to buy in India today. For more other updates, do log into india.com and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.